Many business owners use websites to attract customers, showcase products, or sell service online. Wix is one of the most popular website builder because it is simple and beginner friendly. But some entrepreneurs ask whether GoHighLevel can replace Wix while also providing extra business tools. In this video, I will explain in very simple way the difference between GoHighLevel and Wix and whether GoHighLevel can replace your website builder. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow with smart tools. If you like easy to follow guides for online business tools, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special offer for Wix that will be applied automatically, and definitely you can get the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel instead of the regular 14 days. And you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel. Now let's get back to the main part of this video and compare GoHighLevel and Wix step by step. Let's start with Wix first. Wix is a dedicated website builder. Its main strength is design and customization. You can create beautiful websites using drag and drop tools. You can use the pre-made templates and creative elements like images, buttons, and galleries. Wix is perfect for business or individual who want a visually appealing website builder without any coding. You can also add e-commerce feature, blog, and contact form easily. The main focus of Wix is to make your website look professional and work for basic online needs. It is beginner friendly, but if you want automation, marketing, and customer follow-ups, you will need separate tools. This means businesses often use Wix along with the email marketing, CRM, and appointment software. Now let's talk about the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is not just a website builder. It is an all-in-one business platform that includes website and landing page creation, CRM, email and SMS automation, and also the funnels, pipeline, and appointment scheduling. Its main strength is helping businesses manage leads, customers, and marketing in one place. GoHighLevel can create websites and landing pages using templates and similarly drag and drop editor. These pages are fast and mobile friendly and designed to convert visitors into leads. However, GoHighLevel's design options are slightly simpler than Wix. It focuses more on functionality and conversion rather than purely aesthetic design. One major difference is automation and marketing integration. GoHighLevel automatically connects your websites to your email campaigns, SMS messages, pipelines, and follow-up sequences. When someone visits your page, books a call, or submits a form, the system can trigger messages automatically. With Wix, you would need extra app to achieve this level of automation. Another advantage of GoHighLevel is lead management. All contacts from your website, landing pages, or forms are automatically added to the CRM. You can see where each lead is in your sales pipeline. You can follow up with messages. You can assign the task to your team members, and you can track the conversions. This is something Wix alone cannot do without any external integrations. However, Wix is stronger if your main goal is creative website design. If you want a portfolio, blog, or highly customized visual website, Wix gives more design freedom. GoHighLevel is better if your main goal is converting visitors into leads and managing your business efficiently. In simple words, GoHighLevel can replace Wix if your focus is on business automation, lead generation, and sales. It can handle websites, landing pages, and forms while connecting everything to your marketing and CRM. But if your focus is purely on website aesthetics and creative design, Wix may still be the better choice. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand whether GoHighLevel can replace Wix, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.